Today, we will talk about how to fireproof your home. Let's have a look at the details. Making your home more fireproof is a good idea for anyone. However, it's a particularly good idea if you live in an area prone to wildfires. If you're building a new home, you can take steps to build with materials that will slow down fires. If you're looking to make your current home more fireproof, you can reduce fire sources in your home to help protect your home from in-house fires. The first step is building with fire-resistant materials. Create a fireproof barrier. One way to protect your home from fire is to create a border around your house that is essentially fireproof. Gravel and concrete on the ground help create a break line, such as driveways and patios. You can also use small, fire-retardant plants that grow close to the ground. Make sure fire trucks can access your home. If a fire truck can't get to your home, firefighters can't put the fire out. A fire truck needs a solid road to get to your house, including your driveway. So you need to ensure that even your driveway is solid enough to sustain a fire truck. Try a fireproof design. For instance, some houses use concrete panels that have foam in the middle, which are much more fire-resistant. Use fireproof materials for your roof and siding. Frame your windows in metal. Skip wood decks. Try tile, concrete, brick, or stone for the deck, which is more fire-resistant. The second step is hardening your home. Remove debris from your roof and gutters. If you have debris up there, it can catch on fire, even if your roof is made of flame-resistant materials. Cleaning out your gutters regularly is a good idea. Check the overhead power lines. Look for limbs that hang above your power lines, or that are starting to grow between the power lines. Most power companies will come and trim the trees for you. Declutter your home. The more stuff you have in your home, the easier it is for a fire to spread. Take out candles. Candles can be a fire hazard, as they can be knocked over. Clean out your dryer lint. Every time you do the laundry, try to clean out your dryer lint. Dryer lint is one of the leading causes of fires in the home. Practice safety when it comes to plugs. If you have a problem, you need to call an electrician. Bad electrical systems can lead to fires. Replace any suspect appliances. Faulty appliances could lead to fires in your home, as they could send out sparks that start a fire. Check for a safe distance. Light bulbs and lamps and nightlights can get hot enough to set things on fire, particularly fabric. Use furnishings made from natural materials. Modern furnishings are made from synthetic materials, which are derived from petrochemicals that burn rapidly and release toxic fumes. Practice safety with space heaters. Space heaters, particularly the older kind with open heating elements, can be dangerous. And the third step is implementing safety features. Install fire alarms. Smoke alarms cut your family's risk of dying in a fire by half. Check fire alarms regularly. You should check your fire alarms twice a year to make sure they're working. Have a fire extinguisher on hand. If you don't already, make sure to keep at least one fire extinguisher in your house. A good place to keep one is in the kitchen, as that is where many fires start. Make sure it is handy and accessible to everyone in the house, and that everyone who is old enough knows how to use it. Have a plan. Before a fire ever happens, you should know the best ways to get out of your house. Check to make sure your escape routes are viable. Put a fire ladder in each adult's bedroom. Fire ladders, made of a material like aluminum, can help you escape in case of a fire from a second-story window. Adults should operate fire ladders, so put them in rooms accessible by adults who can help children out. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.